following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Vein911 Vein Treatment Centers.
There's a team of board-certified vein care specialists using world-class technology to deliver comprehensive, minimally invasive procedures for those suffering with vein disease. 75% of Americans will develop vein disease in their lifetime, and many suffer in silence. But I recently visited Vein911 Vein Treatment Centers and found out how relief is easy to find and right here in our backyard. I'm with vein and lymphatic specialist, Dr. Brian Pink, and we're talking about vein disease today. Doctor, thank you so much for inviting me out.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you here, Gail.
So many people suffer from vein disease. I didn't realize how early it starts.
Yeah, 75% of Americans are going to have vein disease at some point in their lifetime, and 1 in 10 teenagers are going to have vein symptoms before they turn the age of 20.
That's a lot of people. So if someone's out there suffering, what are some of the signs and symptoms to be on the lookout for?
Sure, so some of the signs that we're looking for are going to be large bulging varicose veins, discoloration around the ankles, and ankle swelling. Some of the symptoms you may be experiencing would be aches and pains in your legs, numbness and tingling in your toes, cramping, usually at night, and restless legs.
I think a lot of people sadly suffer in silence because they don't realize the incredible treatment protocol that you guys have here. I mean, it's way different than back in the day.
Absolutely. I think when people think about vein treatment, we're very worried about these crazy procedures and surgeries that were done in the past. You know, we all think about our grandmothers having these great big bulgy veins, and they had these horrific procedures done, many years ago, but everything now is walk in, walk out. It is no anesthesia, it's non-surgical, and there's very little downtime.
And then you have a new office, you're expanding. I mean, your treatment is so popular, you're trying to reach more people, so there's a 4th location in Largo?
Yes, ma'am. We're very excited about this 4th location down in Largo. It will be by the HCA hospital. It's very difficult to find someone that's specialized in what we are doing and to get the high-level care and world-class care that we provide here at Vein911. And yeah, we're trying to impact and improve the lives of more patients. As we've talked about before, so many people are really struggling with this disease, and we want to help as many people as possible.
Yeah, and I know that you guys are known worldwide. I mean, people fly to the Tampa Bay area to get this specialized treatment because it is so easy and effortless. What is the treatment protocol?
So it's very easy to get started. You give us a phone call and you get in with one of our vein care specialists right away for an assessment. We get you in that week for a diagnostic ultrasound with one of our fantastic ultrasound techs, and then we would start the compression hose trial where we can assess if you truly have some vein symptoms.
And once you start the treatment protocol, how quick is it?
We can get you, in and out with that assessment within the week, ultrasound again, hopefully within that week, and treatment can be as early as 3 weeks after you see us the first time.
And you just walk right out the door?
Walk right out the door, yep, absolutely.
And no real downtime?
No downtime at all. You can work your normal shift at work, you can exercise as normal, all your normal daily activities.
Dr. Pink, it was such a pleasure to meet you. Thanks again for having me out.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure.
You can receive a complimentary pair of compression socks just by swinging by one of their 4 Bay Area locations in Largo, Clearwater, Tampa, and Wesley Chapel. For more information, visit vein911.com or call 813-544-1552 or scan the QR code on your screen to schedule an appointment. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Vein911 Vein Treatment Centers.